How to fix invalid destination address on Samsung A17. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so just click and hold side power button and volume down button, restart phone. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset. Click on reset all setting. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.